To Professor Quinn. My name is Nazrul Rani, and this is my personal website. In my homepage, you'll see in the middle is the video you're watching right now. Afterwards, you get to go to my offer page, which has a buy now and and no thanks button. If you click the buy now button, you'll be transmitted into the upsell page. If you press no thanks, you will be transferred to the home page. On the upsell page, you'll also receive a buy now or no thanks page. If you click the buy now button on the upsell page, it'll take you to the e-commerce page, which is also known as the checkout, or you can click the no thanks button, which will take you to my downsell. On the downsell, there's the buy now page and no thanks page. If you click buy now, you'll be buying the downsell. If you say no thanks, it'll take you to the e-commerce page. Afterwards, I have my MailChimp account. On my campaign, it just says we're rooting for you. Subscribe and get 15% off on your first order. I also have on the tab is Facebook, which is not really needed, you said. Afterwards, I have my contest page. On my contest page, we it's basically the contest is fill out the form below for a chance to win 2 free trips. Uh, Lastly, I have my mobile app, which I have 4 pictures right here. One is my home screen, which just tells you what's on the app itself. It says about us, account, contact, and text pages. But the next one says about us, which just says like what's about the company. And then there's a text page where you can just text groups, and there's a video page where you can watch a video on the company. And yeah, that's it. And this is the e-commerce page, like we said, the checkout page. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.